Now I can see Ember much better. What do you think of these fireworks, Ember? Do you love them? Wow! What do you think, Mason? You like them? Can you see yourself? Mason? Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Mason.
It is Mason. Who is that? It is you, Ember. And what do you guys see? Wow. Let's see, what color is this one? Wow, lots of them. I see you. What do you got in your mouth?
Yeah.
Bear. Wow. That one's got crackle sounds, doesn't it? Crackle sounds. Good job. Julie can see everybody's face is much better. There we go. That's more like it. Hi, Cass. Ah, so are the fireworks. Much better. It's not in 3D right now. I'm testing the 2D.
Light looks pretty good.
There we go. Now we see everybody. Marissa's got her iPod going.